Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering various built-in functions in SQL. Guys, I have uploaded complete DBMS subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Guys, built-in functions are predefined functions that are already present in SQL. By using those functions, we can perform various operations like we can do mathematical calculations, string manipulations, data and time processing and aggregate calculations. These are four types of functions in SQL. They are mathematical functions, string functions, data and time functions, and aggregate functions. I'll explain each of them. First, I'll explain what are mathematical functions. Mathematical functions are used to perform mathematical calculations. These are various functions. First one is ABS function. That is nothing but absolute function, which will return absolute value. For example, if we write ABS of minus 10, it will give absolute value, that is 10. And next one is CAL function, that is nothing but ceiling function, which rounds up to nearest integer. For example, if we write CEIL of 10.2, I'll get output, that is 11. If there is 0.2, 0.3 like that, it will increment value 10 to 11. And there is floor function, which rounds down to nearest integer, that is nothing but if there is value like 10.9, it will reduce value to 10. And there is round function, which rounds a number. For example, if there is value like round of 10.56 comma 1, so 10.5 will become 10.6. And there is mod function, which will calculate remainder. And there is power function, which will calculate power. For example, if we write power of 2 comma 3, that is nothing but 2 power 3. 2 into 2 into 2, that equal to 8. And there is SQRT function, where SQRT stands for square root function, which will calculate square root. For example, SQRT of 25, that is nothing but root 25, that equal to 5. These are various mathematical functions in SQL. This is example. Just write select, and we can perform various operations like SQRT of 25, which will give value 5, root 25, that equal to 5, and power of 2 comma 3, that is 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, that equal to 8. Like this, we can calculate various mathematical operations. At last, give semicolon. And there is string function, which is used to manipulate text. These are various functions like upper function, lower function, length function, concatenate function, substring function, and trim function. I will explain each of them. Where by using upper function, we can convert text to uppercase, and by using lower function, we can convert text to lowercase, where length function will return length of the string. For example, if we write hello length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so output 5. And by using concatenate function, we can join two strings. For example, there are strings like DBMS. So whenever we write concat of DB in quotations comma MS in quotations, we'll get output, that is DBMS. And by using substring function, we can extract parts of the string. For example, if you write substring of database comma 1 comma 4, that means from starting 1 to 4 characters, it will extract output. So in database, first 4 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4. So data is my output. And by using trim, we can remove spaces. For example, I will write like trim of space SQL space in quotations. So it will remove the spaces. By using trim function, we can remove spaces. These are various string functions in SQL. I'll give one example. Guys, by using select command, we can perform various operations by using functions. So I'll write here select upper of SQL. So whenever I write upper of SQL in small letters, it will give output in capital letters, and comma lower of SQL in capital. So it will convert capital SQL to small letters, comma concat of DB comma MS in quotations. At last, give semicolon. So I'll get output, that is DBMS. These are various string functions. Third one is date and time functions. By using date and time functions, we can work with dates and times. There are functions like current date function, current time function, now function, year function, month function, and day function. So I'll get output like this. It will give current date, it will give current time, it will give current date and time, it will give current year, month, and day. This is example. Select current date, it will give current date, comma, current time, it will give current time, and now function, it will give current date and time. At last, use semicolon. Guys, all are functions. Definitely we need to include brackets. Guys, I already explained aggregate functions. You can check in my playlist.